everybody, Danny here. Let's go on over to our lilacs and give it a little more body, and then we'll be ready tomorrow to be able to paint some leaves. I'll meet you at the easel. And by golly, here we are. Let's get to work here. Okay, we got the same two colors. We got white and we've got our purple, okay? And now what we're going to do is we're going to start coming in and we're putting dots and such as that, okay? We're just putting some dots in like that. Okay, now this is going to fade in. Okay, this is just going to fade in. Just like that. And as it comes off the brush, we just let it do its thing here. Okay, just like that. And as this dries, of course, it's going to kind of just fade away into nothingness. Okay, and we're just layering this color. Okay, that's what we're doing. We're just layering this color. Okay, just like that. Eventually, we're going to come in and we're going to actually put some crosses in there, some little X's. It's going to make it look like we got flowers and stuff. And again, that's just exactly what we're looking for. Now, if it gets too light, we just come into some of the purple, okay? And we're just going to set that right in that already wet paint. And it's going to just take care of that situation. See, there's nothing to panic about. Not a thing. Just like that. Okay, just like that. No problem. And eventually, we're going to be making some things that look like X's, like that. Okay, just like that. But that's for another time. Tomorrow, we're going to put some leaves in, okay? Be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link. Be sure you get the bell icon so you get all notifications. Leave a comment, share, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And that wasn't too bad. Okay, tomorrow we're going to throw some leaves on it. And remember that until then, Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.